y'all. Tonight is the night before the extractions. It is 11:28. I am like really thinking about it. I'm not really that scared anymore, but I'm like, really considering, do I want to get laughing gas or just stay, awake and just get the numbing medicine. So I'm probably just gonna watch TV till about 1 something, and then I'm gonna go to bed and then wake up in the morning. So I'll see y'all in the morning. So good morning, guys. It is currently 10:13, and my appointment is at 12 o'clock. I'm just gonna do a little small get ready with me. The floss is stuck in my braces. I don't know where it's stuck at. You can see like the little small thread. What the heck? Oh Lord. Ooh. So now we're at the house. Okay. He don't want to be in my vlogs. That's fine. We're about to go eat. They waited too long to go to Waffle House, so now we're just gonna have to go get some like McDonald's or something. Tough. But yeah, I gotta get in the back seat. We are about to...
Alright, I'm recording.
Alright, put on the brake.
Okay.
All the way down. Now, turn right. Turn the corner.
We're in the parking lot.
Okay.
Josiah's having her first driving lesson before she goes to the dentist. Yeah, you're not supposed to turn it for her.
Oh.
Okay, let's press the brake.
It's just like driving a video game.
No, it's not.
I never drove a video game. Okay, I don't want to go out on the road.
Turn left, turn. You remember sharp. Oh, God.
Okay, straighten the wheel back out. Okay.
I think you're getting it.
Okay, there's a car coming right there. Let's stop.
We're not even close to it.
Yeah. Okay, tap the brakes slowly. Your speed's getting up a little bit.
What's that thing called?
A speed bump?
Yeah.
We're going to practice that. Now turn right.
It's like...
Use your signal.
How do I do that?
Press up. That's for right. You press down for left. You got to press all the way up till it clicks. All right. Now let's start this turn. Oh my God, Grandma B.
I don't know what to do. I'm so scared.
Straighten it back out.
I'm gonna have fun driving.
No, you're not.
It just go up by itself? Okay, go ahead. Daddy, do it. All right, let's see it. Do it. Daddy. Nuh-uh, go back up some. Daddy, jump. Ew, what was that pop? 1, 2. You gotta do 2 at the same time. So, turns out, I don't even know if it's getting done again. If it's getting done at all. The orthodontist made an appointment at one of their other offices where I've never been before, and it's 2 hours away. Like, what? How can you mix something like that up? So, I can't get my wires taken off today, or the brackets, which means I may not be able to get the teeth pulled. So, right now we're just about to go get something to eat and wait for the orthodontist and the dentist to call us back and tell us what's going to happen, because I feel like they should be able to squeeze us in because it was their mistake. So, yeah. So, we are at IHOP. That's what we decided. No. Why she just got on you. Look at everybody on their phones. Shame, shame, shame. Okay, Mom, please stop. Please stop. Hello. Hello.
Jason.
Hello.
Jason. I know you like this one. I got money for it.
No, I can't have a real life. I don't like
I'm gonna put this in the vlog.
That was so funny.
I'm gonna put this in the vlog.
I don't give up.
I'm gonna put this in there too. They're gonna see how my parents act.
How much room you got over?
Oh, this looks so good, y'all.
I'm praying.
Sorry. This is French toast and the strawberries on top.
You should have got an
Eggs scrambled with cheese, hash browns, and 2 sausages. And my dad got that. My mom got the same thing, but she got bacon. So yeah, I'll show you what I ate with my last time eating with my full premolars.
Everybody's done.
My dad's plates are gone. Why are you trying to act like you nice now? Okay, look at my mama. Still eating. She got all them eggs. Well, no, she already ate them.
Egg roll.
I said she got all them eggs, bro. So yeah. Oh Lord.
Did you get that?
I got a little bit of it. That's hilarious. Like, I'm so nervous about today. I'm gonna get laughing gas. I know last night I said I decided I wasn't, but then again today, now that I have to get my, no, this is gonna be, I recorded a video and I'm just gonna put like time lapses, you know. So we just picked up my little brother from school. Wait, so tell me what you told your class. Tell me what you told your class about my teeth. Remember?
She's gonna get her teeth pulled out, and I told my teacher that, and my friends that she gonna get her teeth pulled out, and they said they wish you well.
And why did you tell them that?
'Cause I don't want.
Get out my face, cause you don't.
'Cause I don't want them to, when they see her and she smile at them, she won't look ugly when she loses some teeth.
I want the gang, I want the mob. What was you thinking?
So.
Get your coat.
Boy, right.
He just said, you need it.
He trying to stick a candy. Go. So we're about to go on our way to the appointment. I want to cry.
That's what you get.
I want to cry. 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 No, I called the middle. I called it. I called it. Double time. Left. Left. Okay, y'all get in the car because.
No, that's done.
Oh, I'm with the gang. I'm with the mom. What you thinking? It's away from the orthodontist. I'm like really scared. My hands are. Girl. So we are right by the orthodontist, and my heart is beating really fast. I'm kind of feeling sick. At first, all day, I wasn't really nervous about it. So, we're walking in, and I'm really scared. We're here. The next time you'll see me, I'll be in the chair. So, the mindset I have is, yes, I'm nervous, but it's gonna have to get done in order for me to see the big picture, the perfect teeth I want. I just don't want it to really get done, but the laughing gas probably not gonna make it that bad. I don't know, it's just like I have waves of scaredness. Like for 1 minute, like I'm not scared, I'm just like, I'm ready to get this over with. Then it's like my heart will just drop out of nowhere. Then I'm just like, oh my God. Like, it's like I'm going over an emotions roller coaster. Well, my eyelashes look good though. You can't even see them. So I'm in the chair. I'm so scared. So she just told me that they're not gonna give me laughing gas. That's kind of a heartbreaker. Now I'm about to cry. I just wish I could switch bodies with somebody. So I'm gonna be completely awake and I'm about to cry. I really feel like crying right now. but I'm not gonna cry on my vlog channel. What? I'm really nervous. I'm nervous. So I did end up getting laughing gas, and it was nothing funny about it at the end of the day. But I'm still glad that I was able to get it. I just had to ask. And then, yeah. So it didn't really work, but it would kind of calm me.
We want her to lose more teeth, but we want to try it next time without nitrous.
Right.
Yes.
Wow. She's just so nervous about this.
Oh, yeah. Well, she got that good.
Is it your type of thing?
You have any questions for me?
Don't look at me now.
Y'all, when I snatched some gauze out so quick, I thought I was biting my lip because it looked like I was in the mirror, but you know, my mouth was so numb that I couldn't even tell if I was biting it or not. So I just snatched them out real quick to fix it. It was kind of funny. So I'm back home. My mouth is so numb. Like, oh my god, it feels so weird. If you don't want to see the open wounds, then just skip ahead about 30 seconds. And this is a self promo. You can buy my lip gloss for $8. Whoop whoop. So these are how it looks. And then the bottom. The process is really quick, but I'm gonna wait until the numbness goes down, until I can like really talk. But then I'll be in pain, so.
And I feel bad for her.
These things are huge. So it is about an hour later. My mouth is. Will y'all hush? Will y'all hush? My mouth is still numb. Well, I can feel my tongue and my teeth. I just can't feel my lips or my cheeks. Those are still really numb, and they feel soft to the touch. They feel like really soft. So right now it's 10:53. I took a nap to let the numbness wear off as I was asleep. So when I woke up, I had complete feeling back in my top lip, but my bottom lip was still really numb because he pulled out the top teeth first, and then he went on to numbing the bottom. So it was kind of like a domino effect. But yeah, so he numbed this one first, let it set. No, he numbed the top, and then so this how it looked, this side and this side. Can you tell? Hey guys, so as you can see, I'm very well this morning. I took my medicine last night at like 1. It hasn't been 8 hours yet, so I'm probably gonna take it back when I come home from my appointment. But we're in the car ride line for my sister and brother, and then gonna be on our way to the orthodontist. So will you get on my video? Okay, but yeah, this is how it looks. My mom said that you can't tell from the front, but I think you can. And then from the side, you can tell from the sides. So tough. This time I'm gonna be laughing. So I'm in the chair. It's really sore down here where they put the shots, but tough. Oh, I can see the holes. I'm just glad it's over with. But yeah. So I'm in the chair waiting on them to put the wire back in all around with the whatever it's called, where they have to put like a space or something. I don't know. So I got the wires off. Now she told me to flush and brush and floss without the wires on. Since I got the extractions done yesterday, so that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, bye guys. So now I'm laying down on the couch. It's really cold. I don't know why. Maybe I'm just cold because it's cold outside and it's really rainy. So we went to a lot of places, and then we went to Bojangles. I got some mashed potatoes and gravy and sweet tea, and I can't drink out of a straw, so I had to drink out the cup, and I'm really used to drinking out of straws. I love drinking out of straws, so this is kind of horrible for me. And the only pain I have right now is down here. They're throbbing a little bit. I don't know why, but they're like really throbbing. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this vlog and listen to me talk about everything that's gonna happen braces wise. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share. Thank you all. Bye.